Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of woodworking and construction tools with a review of the top 5 best digital wood moisture meters. Whether you're a professional carpenter or a DIY enthusiast, accurate moisture measurement is essential for quality results. Let's explore the features, pros, and cons of these top-rated devices to help you make an informed decision. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Zuidid EMT01 Digital Wood Moisture Meter. The Zuidid EMT01 Digital Wood Moisture Meter is an essential tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts involved in woodworking, carpentry, and dry cargo inspection. By utilizing contact pin resistance technology and high-precision components, this device ensures accurate moisture readings for over 100 types of common wood groups. Its ergonomic design and user-friendly interface make it a practical choice for reliable and efficient moisture detection. This video is a detailed look at its features, along with the pros and cons of the Zuidid EMT01. Pros: accurate and reliable results. The Zuidid EMT01 uses high-precision electronic components, combined with a contact pin resistance method, ensuring consistent and accurate moisture readings. With its ability to test over 100 wood types, it is versatile for professionals and hobbyists alike. User-friendly operation. The simple key operation mode makes the meter extremely easy to use. Even beginners can quickly adapt to its straightforward interface without a steep learning curve. Ergonomic and practical design. Designed with ergonomics in mind, the meter is comfortable to hold and easy to maneuver. Its portable size and durable build make it adaptable to a variety of testing environments, including construction sites and woodworking workshops. Large LCD display. The clear and large LCD screen ensures that moisture values are easy to read, even in low-light environments. This is particularly helpful for professionals who require quick and accurate readings on the job. Battery efficiency. With its built-in low battery detection and automatic power-off feature, the Zuidid EMT01 ensures extended battery life, making it reliable during prolonged usage. Adaptability to various wood types. The built-in 4 testing patterns allow for accurate moisture detection across different wood groups, offering flexibility for diverse applications. Cons. Plastic build. While the ergonomic design is comfortable, the device's plastic construction may feel less robust in demanding industrial environments. The Zuidid EMT01 Digital Wood Moisture Meter offers excellent accuracy, versatility, and ease of use, making it a dependable tool for measuring moisture in a variety of wood types. Its ergonomic design, clear LCD display, and battery-saving features cater to both professionals and casual users. Coming in at number 4, we have the Mastfuyi FY886B Digital Wood Moisture Meter. The Mastfuyi FY886B Digital Wood Moisture Meter is a multifunctional tool designed for professionals and DIY enthusiasts who need to monitor moisture content in wood and building materials. With its user-friendly interface, color LED display, and replaceable pins, this moisture meter stands out for its practicality and ease of use. This video is an in-depth look at its features, along with the pros and cons to help you decide if this tool is the right fit for your needs. Pros. Easy-to-read LED screen. The color LED screen is bright, clear, and easy to interpret, making it simple to monitor moisture levels and temperature, even in low-light environments. The data hold function ensures you can record measurements without rushing. Multifunctionality. Not limited to wood, the FY886B can measure moisture in drywall, gypsum board, concrete, and paper, making it highly versatile. Its ability to measure both moisture and ambient temperature adds further value for users. Replaceable pins. With replaceable pins and a pair of spare pins included, the device offers excellent durability and extended usage. This feature saves time and money on repairs and replacements. Portability and convenience. The lightweight design and battery-powered operation make this tool convenient for on-site use in workshops, construction sites, and home inspections. Suitable for various materials. Whether you're dealing with hardwood, softwood, drywall, or concrete, The Mastfuyi FY886B delivers reliable and accurate results. Cons. Limited advanced features. Although it measures moisture and temperature effectively, the FY886B lacks advanced features like Bluetooth connectivity, data export, or app integration, which some professionals might prefer. The Mastfuyi FY886B digital wood moisture meter is an excellent tool for professionals, woodworkers, and homeowners who need accurate and easy-to-read moisture measurements. Its versatility, vivid LED display, and user-friendly design make it a solid choice for everyday use. While it may lack some advanced features and require occasional pin replacement, its overall performance and value are hard to beat. At number 3, the Proster WM710 Digital Wood Moisture Meter. The Proster WM710 Digital Wood Moisture Meter is a versatile and efficient tool designed to detect moisture in a variety of materials, including wood walls, masonry, concrete, and plaster. With its non-invasive high-frequency wave technology and user-friendly design, it offers an effective way to identify moisture issues without causing surface damage. We break down the key features, along with the pros and cons of this moisture meter. Pros. Non-invasive detection. One of the standout features of the Proster WM710 is its ability to measure moisture without penetrating the surface. The high-frequency waves can detect moisture up to 20 millimeters below the material, protecting work surfaces from damage. Accurate and quick measurements. Equipped with a high-precision alloy probe and advanced processing chip, the meter quickly determines moisture values within a wide range of 0% to 100%. This makes it ideal for both professionals and DIY users who require accurate readings. User-friendly design. The meter is easy to operate with automatic calibration and a simple interface. Users can start measuring in seconds by pressing cell after switching it on. The hold function and max-min value display further enhance usability. Clear and informative display. The large 2.7-inch backlit color LCD screen provides clear moisture readings, along with a 3-color bar chart for visual representation. The addition of visual and acoustic alarms helps users quickly identify problematic moisture levels. Versatile applications. Whether you are working on wood, walls, masonry, or other building materials, the Proster WM710 is highly adaptable. It is perfect for identifying water leaks, checking suspicious spots, and ensuring building materials are adequately dry. Portable and practical. With its compact design, included batteries, and storage bag, the moisture meter is easy to carry and store. The low battery indicator and automatic shutoff also ensure energy efficiency during prolonged use. Cons. Limited depth of detection. While the 20 mm depth is sufficient for many applications, it may not be adequate for thicker materials or deeper moisture issues that require advanced tools. The Proster WM710 Digital Wood Moisture Meter is an excellent tool for detecting moisture in a variety of building materials without damaging surfaces. Its non-invasive technology, accurate readings, and clear display make it ideal for both professionals and homeowners tackling water-related issues. In the second spot, we have the Fnirsi WMT-10 Digital Wood Moisture Meter. The Fnirsi WMT-10 Digital Wood Moisture Meter is a feature-rich tool designed to provide precise moisture measurements across a variety of materials. With its high-precision readings, user-friendly display, and advanced functionalities like data storage and alarm systems, the WM10 stands out as a reliable companion for professionals and DIY enthusiasts. We break down its key features, pros, and cons to help you decide if this moisture meter is the right choice for your needs. Pros. High accuracy and precision. The WMT-10 delivers extremely accurate moisture readings with a resolution of 0.1%, making it ideal for professionals who require precise data. Wide application range. With the ability to measure moisture in plaster walls, brick walls, softwood, and hardwood, this tool is versatile for various projects, including construction, woodworking, and home inspections. Clear and informative display. The 2.4-inch color screen offers excellent readability, ensuring users can quickly interpret measurement results without confusion. Advanced Alarm System. The sound and color alarms provide an extra layer of protection, helping users identify excessive moisture levels and prevent material damage. Data storage and review. The ability to save and access up to 30 sets of measurement data allows users to monitor changes over time and compare readings effortlessly. Durable and portable design. With a 1000 mAh rechargeable lithium battery and a built-in flashlight, the WMT-10 is durable, long-lasting, and suitable for low-light work environments. Convenient. Features like auto power-off, sound and brightness adjustment, and firmware upgrades enhance usability and improve the overall experience. Cons. Limited data storage. Although the device allows saving 30 sets of data, professionals handling larger projects might find this capacity insufficient. The Fnirsi WM710 digital wood moisture meter is a versatile and precise tool that caters to both professionals and hobbyists. Its high accuracy, wide application range, and advanced features like alarms, data storage, and a user-friendly display make it a strong contender in the moisture meter market. While minor drawbacks like limited data storage and battery dependency exist, its overall performance and durability outweigh these concerns. And finally, at number 1, we have the Telehill WM700B digital wood moisture meter. The Telehill WM700B digital wood moisture meter is a versatile and user-friendly device designed for professionals and DIY enthusiasts who need to measure moisture levels accurately. Whether you're inspecting wood, walls, or concrete, this non-destructive meter promises reliability and efficiency. This video is a detailed review highlighting its key features, pros and cons to help you determine if it's the right tool for your needs. Pros. Non-destructive measurement. The spherical hygrometer allows you to measure moisture levels without damaging the surface, making it perfect for sensitive materials like hardwood. Accurate readings with a measuring depth of 20-40 millimeters and self-calibration, the device ensures reliable and consistent results. User-friendly display. The HD color LCD screen is large and easy to read, even in low-light environments. Customizable alarm. The moisture alarm can be adjusted to specific materials, helping you identify issues quickly. Maxmin recording saves maximum and minimum readings, allowing for easy data comparison during inspections. Wide range of applications from wood to concrete. The meter handles multiple surfaces, making it a versatile tool for builders, carpenters, and homeowners. Energy efficient. The auto-off feature ensures battery life is conserved when the meter is not in use. Compact and portable. Lightweight design makes it easy to carry and operate on the go. Cons. Limited depth range. While 20-40 millimeters is sufficient for most tasks, it may not penetrate deeply enough for thick materials. The Telehill WM700B digital wood moisture meter is an excellent tool for non-destructive moisture detection in a variety of materials. With features like self-calibration, customizable alarms, and a clear HD display, it offers convenience and accuracy at an affordable price point. While it has a few limitations, such as its build quality and shallow depth range, its overall performance and versatility make it a worthy addition to any toolbox.